Okay, so today we're going to discuss about the usage of merge shapes. Okay, so the first one is union. Okay, we have here shape A and shape B. Okay, yellow and green. For example, we're going to click shape A, then control, left click shape B. We're going to go to the format and click union. Okay, so you change the color into yellow because the first object that you're going to click or the shape, okay, for example, is yellow, the rest will be yellow. Like this one, shape B and shape A, going to union, it will be green. Okay, let's proceed with the next one, combine. Okay, shape A, control left click shape B, format, then combine. There will be a gap. Okay, so the overlapping part, it will produce a hole in the center. Okay, shape B, shape A, same, combine like this. Okay, proceed with fragment. Okay, shape A, shape B, format, fragment. Okay, in fragment, we're going to have three different objects that you can separately use. Okay, shape B, shape A, fragment, just like this one. Okay, next one, intersect. Okay, shape A, shape B, going to intersect. Okay, the overlapping part will be left and the rest will be gone. Okay, it's like this one, shape B, shape A, intersect. Okay, so like this one, you can create a shape of the overlapping part. Okay, let's proceed to our subtract. Shape A, shape B, format, subtract. Okay, so the second shape that you're going to click will be gone. Shape B, shape A, subtract, then you're going to have this shape. Okay, so that will be union, combine, fragment, intersect, and subtract.